Hey everyone, it's Double Moms. In today's episode, we're breaking down DTST, one of the biggest momentum names on the day after exploding over 50% intraday off major corporate news at a float-friendly technical setup. Before we begin, if we haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and set those notifications on so you don't miss any of our episodes, and be sure to like and share. Now, before we get started with this, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get all of our real-time alerts and our custom scanners, the link is in the description. We alerted 7 100% plus runners for our private Discord members today, July 15th, 2025. Get our real-time movers, news, custom scanners for 4 days at just $1.99. We're just made different, folks, and the early bird gets the cash. Now let's get started with Data Storage Corporation, ticker symbol DTST. We're looking at price action, and here's what we know. It opened the day at $3.35, hit a high of $5.18, and it's currently trading around $4.90. Now that's a 50% plus move off the lows, all with a float of 4.16 million shares. The key breakout came around mid-morning, and the price held the move through the afternoon, reclaiming both the VWAP and stacked EMAs before the close. Now, this wasn't just a technical pop. The move came on the back of a double dose of fundamental momentum. Cloud division growth, DTSD announced a 118% year-over-year increase in bookings in its cloud services division, a powerful sign of business expansion. The strategic asset sale to Performive, the company signed a definitive agreement to sell its CloudFirst subsidiary to Performive, a private equity-backed firm. This is a shareholder-approved transaction aimed at accelerating CloudFirst's growth privately while possibly retaining DTST's public listing, returning value to shareholders via a planned tender offer to repurchase to 85% of its shares, reinvesting remaining funds into high-growth acquisitions in AI, cybersecurity, software as a service, and healthcare automation. And these are the plans that was publicized. Now, this is a major repositioning play, and Wall Street might have taken notice of this. Now, the VWAP reclaimed and held after early consolidation on the charts. EMAs were stacked bullishly across the 1 minute, reset to 53 on the RSI, gives room for another leg. Volume was over 1.8 million shares, which is high relative to the float, and the pattern was more like a stair-step breakout with minor flag near the highs. Now, this has all the makings of a day one base with potential for gap continuation or day two squeeze, especially if volume if broader market support stay intact. Now, traders may be interested because of the ultra-low float plus the news, the multi-prolonged catalyst. The setup resembles past runners in a similar cloud/security transitions like what happened for CXAI, SILO, and BFRG. And plus there was a share buyback component which adds some speculative upside. Please note, folks, we're not stock or financial advisors, and this is not professional advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only, so always do your own due diligence. That's our breakdown on DTST, which is Data Storage Corporation, a strong day one mover backed by some real news, low float, and some technical heat. Now, if you found this breakdown helpful, like, subscribe, drop a comment if you're watching DTST into tomorrow. Until next time, folks, it's Double Bombs. I'll be sure to see you again on the flip side.